Hi dear students, let us discuss the last exercise in this chapter, that is exercise 4.4. Exercise 4.4. See the first question, first minute is, find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. We have to find the nature of the roots of the following quadratic equations. If the real root exists, if suppose the roots are exist, it means if the roots are real. When they are real, if discriminant is greater than 0, the roots are real. And also b square minus 4 is a discriminant is equal to 0, then there will be equal real, there will be two real equal roots are there. Okay. Now there are two conditions that the roots are real. B square minus 4 is greater than 0 and b square minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. In those two conditions, the roots are real. Okay. But b square minus 4 is less than 0, then there is no real roots. They ask you to find the real roots if they exist. Let us take the first one. What is that? First one, 2x square minus 3x plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. We have to find the nature of this root. So for that I have to find a discriminant, that is b square minus 4ac. Let us compare this with the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now here a value is plus 2, here b value is minus 3, not plus 3 it is, and here c value is 5. Now let us find a discriminant, b square minus 4ac is equal to b square, that is minus 3 square minus 4 into a value is 2 into c value is 5. Minus 3 square value is 9 minus 4 2s are 8, 8 5 2s are 10, 10 4s are 40 it is. So this is equal to minus 31. So this minus 31 is less than 0 because it is negative. So negative value is always less than 0. So it means what? Discriminant is less than 0. First we have to say the nature of the roots. If b square minus 4 is less than 0, then there is no real roots, you can say. No real roots, or roots are imaginary. Okay, imaginary or no real roots. So therefore, no real roots. There is no real roots, I can say. There is no real roots. Or roots are not real. Okay. So here only you can stop because you are getting the roots are not real. If the roots are real, then we have to continue. We have to find them. Okay. So discriminant is less than 0. Therefore, there is no real roots. Next, second one, 3x square minus 4 root 3x plus 4 equal to 0. So let us compare this equation with standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Now compare the coefficients here. A value is 3, b value is minus 4 root 3 and c value is how much? Plus 4. Now we have to find the nature of the root. For that I need b square minus 4ac, that is discriminant. B square minus 4ac is equal to b, that is minus 4 root 3 square minus 4 into a value is how much? 3 into c value is 4. Now this is equal to minus 4 square, that is 16 into root 3 square value is 3. Next, 4 3s are 12, 12 4s are 48. So 16 into 3, that is 48 minus 48. So this is equal to what? 0. Now we are getting the discriminant b square minus 4ac as 0. If b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then what we can say? We can say that two equal real roots are there. Two equal real roots. Okay. So the roots are equal and real, you can say. Two equal real roots are there. 2 equal real roots are there. Okay. Now the roots are real. The roots are real. We have to find them. Okay. How we can find them? Now we can find them by factorization method or completing square method or formula method. So for this case, better you can follow the formula method only, because in that formula there is a term b square minus 4ac. Already we got that term. Directly we can substitute it. So in easy steps we will get the answer. Okay. Now I'll write the formula. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now for this one, for this problem, x is equal to minus b value is how much? B value is minus 4 root 3. This into this, minus into minus it is plus 4 root 3. Okay, minus into minus it is plus 4 root 3 plus or minus. So b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac term is already 0. So square root of 0 it is 0 only. Divided by 2 into a. 2 into a value is how much here? A value is 3. So this x is equal to 4 root 3 divided by 2 3s are 6. Now 2 2s are 2 3s are. So x is equal to 2 2s are. It means 2 root 3 is there. Denominator 2 3s are. So divided by 3. Now x is equal to 2 root 3 divided by this 3 I can write as root 3 into root 3 I can write. Root 3 into root 3. 3. So root 3 will get cancelled. Remaining is what? X is equal to 2 divided by root 3. Okay. So this is the one root. But a quadratic equation has 2 roots only. So 2 roots are 2 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. Therefore roots are, so roots are 2 divided by root 3 and 2 divided by root 3. Okay. These are the 2 roots. So now here I will tell you one condition. What is that? So if discriminant is equal to 0, then you can find the roots directly by using this formula. That is minus b divided by 2a. These are the, and one more is minus 2 divided by 2a. These are the 2 roots when the discriminant is 0. Can substitute here. Can check whether you are getting 2 by root 3, 2 by root 3 or not. Minus b divided by 2a. You can substitute the value of b and a value. You will get the same answer. Okay? So instead of solving all this, directly you can take these two. Then you can write it. The roots are 2 by root 3 and 2 by root 3. Otherwise you can use this formula. The same answer you will get. Next, third one. The same procedure. Let us write the standard form. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here now a value is 2, b value is minus 6 and c value is plus 3. Now we have to find the nature of roots. For that, let us take the discriminant b square minus 4ac. Okay. Otherwise delta also you can say this as delta. So delta is nothing but what is? It is discriminant. That is the symbol we use for a discriminant. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Okay. So no need to worry about this. Discriminant is b square minus 4ac. Now substitute the value. B value is minus 6 square minus 4 into a value. A value is how much? 2 into c value how much? It is 3. Now minus 6 square, that is 36 minus 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. Now this is equal to 36 minus 24, that is 12. Now b square minus 4ac, you are getting it as plus 12. So this plus 12 is always greater than 0. So now we are getting the discriminant is greater than 0. Now what we can say about the roots? So here there will be two distinct real roots because discriminant is greater than 0. The roots are distinct, two distinct real roots. There are two distinct real roots. Two distinct means different, distinct real roots. Real roots. Now, so here the roots are exist means the roots are real. We can find them. So again same procedure. We can find the roots by using any method. But here b square minus 4ac term we already got. So directly can substitute this in the formula, you get the answer. Now I will use the formula method. X is equal to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Now this x is equal to minus b. B value is how much? Here minus 6. Minus into minus it is plus 6. Plus or minus under root of. Now b square minus 4ac, already we got that value. That is how much? 12 divided by 2 into a. So a value is how much here? 2. Now you cannot cancel 2 here. Okay. So here plus or minus term is there. One more. X is equal to 6 plus or minus. So square root of 12 can be written as 4 3s are 12. Square root of 12, that is root 4 into 3. That I can write as 2 root 3. Are you getting? 12 can be written as 4 into 3. Square root of 4 is 2 into root 3 divided by 2 to that is 4. Now we can take this is one term and this is another term. In these two terms I can take common. Now what I can take common? 2 I can take common. Inside 3 plus or minus 2 taken outside, remaining is root 3 divided by 4. Now I can cancel this. Here I cannot cancel. Here also I cannot cancel. We can cancel now. 2 1s are 2 2s are. So remaining is what? 3 plus or minus root 3 divided by 2. So this is what? X. Now plus or minus. Now first I will take plus, then after minus. So now x is equal to 3 plus root 3 by 2, or one more value, x is equal to 3 minus root 3 by 2. Okay. These are the two roots. Now we can write the conclusion. The roots are those 3 plus root 3 by 2, 3 plus root 3 by 2 and 3 minus root 3 by 2. Okay. So these are the two roots of this given quadratic equation.